everyone, this is your girl Fabulous Annie. How is everyone doing? Hello Fabulous friends, welcome to Fabulous Annie Show. I am going to share with you guys a trick that I learned from my florist at Sunfresh. Lisa is her name. She taught me a really nice trick. Something I didn't know before, so I wanted to share with you guys. Quick. Okay, so I always love flowers. You know, I love flowers. The flowers are like, they make me happy. I don't know why, because my mom, when I was growing up, my mom always had flowers, and she loved flowers. I mean, she bought like almost like $1,500 on flowers. I was like, Ma, woo! But that's my mother anyway. So I think after my mom passed, like every time I see flowers, it brings me happiness. Kind of like it reminds me of her, you know. So and she had a green thumb. And I don't know if I really do have a green thumb because they always end up dying. Well, so, but flowers always make me happy. Like every time I go to you know, I used to go to Hy-Vee just to walk in and see the flowers. It's almost like it gives me like a new life or a new, so it just makes me happy. That's how I've always been with flowers. You know, that's my relationship with flowers. So I always buy flowers like weekly. I buy them from the store. This sometimes they have it for $5. This one in particular, I bought it almost $10. You know, that's how much I paid for it. But I love different colors. You know, I love colors. I always talk about I love colors all the time. So this, I didn't know I was doing it wrong. So today I went to get my usual dose of happiness. I say dose of happiness. And while I was there, you know, I was like, and she saw me and she was like, come on, let me show you how to do it. Do you know how to do it when you get home? So I was like, okay, show me, you know, because I watched my mom put flowers in vases before. That was how I learned how to do it initially. And so she was like, okay, let me show you how to do it. So I'm going to show you guys, even though I'm going to also have her demonstrate herself, you know, on the channel. But I wanted to show you guys first, before we have her as a guest on the show. So don't forget, I'm your girl Fabulous Annie. What's up, everyone? I know everyone is getting ready for the Super Bowl. amazing Super Bowl. What's your prediction? Let me know. Comment below and let me know what's your prediction. You know, I'm going, you know, since I am based in Kansas City, not only that one, I like Patrick Mahomes. So I am making my prediction that the Chiefs will take it home again, will win the Super Bowl. So let's bet on that. But let me show you guys. For you to get the flower, you know, what they call it, prepared, you need a vase. So this is a vase that I have. It's a long time. I've always had it long time and everything. So you get a clean vase, you know, wash it and everything clean, you know, and then you're gonna pour water in it. So we're gonna pour water in the vase. Okay, see? So you pour water in the vase. She didn't actually tell me how much water you're supposed to pour in the vase. But this is it. You see that I poured water in the vase, you know, stuff like that. So then I'm going to remove my flower that I got. So this is my flower. And I'm going to just remove my flower. You're going to need scissors too. You know, you're going to need scissors. So, but she told me that when I get the flower like this, you see that? That as soon as I left the store, you know, or as soon as I leave the store, that these things already closed up. You know, look at it. Let me show you guys. Those things already closed up. That's what she said. So she said we have to cut it. You see that? We're gonna have to cut it diagonally. So this is what she said. Get a scissors and then you cut it diagonally to open up for it to last you longer. So I'm gonna try to repeat what she did. She did this for me. You see that? So I'm gonna try to repeat what she did. So she said cut it diagonally. You know, get a kitchen scissors and cut it diagonally. So I'm gonna cut each one diagonally. So that's it. Yeah, so just get a kitchen scissors and, you know, so I'm gonna cut each one diagonally. Look at my nails. Oh Jesus, I'm about to sneeze. Oh Lord. Oh. Excuse me. Yeah, so I don't know. And then so cut it diagonally. Let me show you guys again. So this is it. Let me see. Cut it diagonally. Here you go. And then one more. So we're gonna cut it diagonally. Yeah. So all of them, see them? They're all cut diagonally. You see that? Yeah. So that's what she said we should do. Cut them diagonally. Okay. And then next, you know, we already have our vase, and then we have water. See how beautiful. How beautiful. I love flowers. Like happiness, beautiful happiness. They're one of the things that make me happy. Yeah, beautiful. I love colors too. You see that? Colors. And then you can do this. I do this like probably every 2 weeks. We don't spend. It's not that much money. Sometimes they're $5. Sometimes like this one was $8, 8 something. So it came up to like 9 something. You know. So yeah. So I it's just, you know, breath of fresh air. So then you're gonna open the bag. You see that? Open the bag. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna open this bag. Yeah. We're gonna open this bag. Yeah. Hopefully I'm not cutting. Make sure you don't cut the you know, because there's food. Do you know that this is called food? You see that? That's called food. Yeah, I didn't even know. So that's called food. You see that? That's called food there. So with the food, they said with the food it tells you how much water you're supposed to use, you know. So it's like a pint of water. You know, so it says on the back. You see that? On the back there. I'm just coming from out, so my whole nose, everything is so it says like on the back there, pint of water. And then so you do that, and then I guess it does tell you everything though, but I've never really read it, you know. I never really read it because it does tell you that cut the plants by whatever. Yeah, it just demonstrates, and you know, it doesn't really tell you exactly. Okay, so I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna cut this and put it in. You see that? Okay, you're not seeing it. Let me show you. So you see that? So I'm gonna cut it and put it in. Okay, so put it in. Yeah. So we're gonna put, this is like the food of the plant. Yeah. You know, it's amazing that this plant is already dead, but it's still alive. It still looks vibrant and alive, you know that? Like it's already dead. And it's still like vibrant and alive, you know. So this is it, you do that. Yeah. It doesn't really tell you to, it doesn't tell you to stir it. Let me see. Yeah, I'm supposed to use like something to stir. So I'm trying to get every bit of it out. Yeah, there's still some stuck there. Yeah, so I'm gonna get something to stir it. Yeah. So we're gonna stir it. Yeah. Stir it. And I was asking her, I said, should I wait for a time before I put it in? She said no. She said just put it in, you know. And then, but initially she told me, she said that you should always make sure that the flour, you know, they're even, you know, on the top, they're even. So I'm gonna like put them in now, you know, one at a time, you know, so that it's spread out. Yeah, yeah. So make sure you don't damage the plant. You see that? And then put them in like that. Okay, all the various colors and stuff. Yeah. So that's it. You see that? Yeah. So that's it there. So that's it. So now you have that all around there, you know, all around like that. It's really nice. Yeah. So that's it. That's it. You see? Wonderful. Wonderful. Even my son likes it. Yeah. Yeah, so that's how you put flowers, you know, when you get them from the shop. So that's how you do it. Then you put the flowers in the vase. So I just wanted to share with you guys because I did not know that you're supposed to cut it diagonally before, and other, you know, the food that you're supposed to like not really have to wait that long to put it in. So I like flowers. You know, people always ask me things about my happiness, and flowers are one of the things that make me happy all the time. You know, so just part of it. Just wanted to share with you guys. So love you guys. Always stay blessed and be fabulous. Bye everyone. Bye everyone. Don't forget, I forgot to tell you guys, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know, spread the word, guys. You know, don't forget, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll keep on bringing you very interesting things I'm learning along life, and I will share with you everything, you know. So have fun everyone, and have a wonderful weekend. I'm sure you will see me again. Don't forget to watch my shows on what do you call it, on my YouTube channel. You know, my celebrity news, juicy. I'm telling you, the juiciest of all celebrity news. I'm telling you guys. And also I have a show on Facebook called Cooking with Fabulous Annie. I make all the yummiest dishes you can think about. I'll squeeze between flowers. Yeah, so don't forget to check all that out, and then comments and everything, and let me know what's going on with you and what videos you want to see more of, everything. So love you guys. Always stay blessed and be fabulous. Till next time, bye everyone.